Hey there, people. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Uline box packaging plastic stack and hang bin box. Yeah, this little guy comes in handy. I use several of these, and what you use these for is to organize different things that you would have either in your home or in your place of business. Say you have like a storage area. You have several different types of items, but you need to keep them either color coded and separate, or just separate. Color coded, separate, and I get a little ahead of myself, but you can get these in several different colors. Okay, I mean a lot of different colors. And so it allows you to separate things and color code things very easily. And you can have it so you can stack these. They're made to stack. If you have another one, it fits on the top here, so you can stack them one on top of each other. And so you can reach in this way and then you reach into the other one too. And you can use these in any deli type of refrigerator or any kind of a storage cabinet or shelf, anywhere. It's really a handy little device that allows you to really keep your stuff separated in a nice way. What I specifically use this for is to separate several different types of items that I use in my line of work. This particular one and this color is used to separate special kinds of tissues that I use. We'll fill this up, and they come in individual little packs, and I need to have those just for this. So I'll use this, and then on top of it I'll have, say, a different color but another item. So yeah, these work really, really well. They're a really solid, not very bendable plastic. I mean, they're not flimsy at all. They're very well made, and it's all one solid molded piece. There's no moving pieces anywhere on it that's not part of this device. It also makes it easy. These handles that are on the sides here makes it easy to grab and carry if you need to take it off and transport whatever you're using in this. And like I said, it comes in several different colors. I've seen it in black. I've seen it in red and orange and yellow and green. Just pretty much all the colors, pretty much, even purple. Yeah, and it's really good for color coding, and it really works very well. I've been using this kind of separating device for probably the last 3 years now, and I've bought more and more and more. And as you use these, you will find just more and more things that you would like to organize and separate from whatever piles the item is laying in. But it makes it so you can really color coordinate and just keep things organized. And that is very, very important in certain lines of work, in most lines of work, I would say. Yeah, and these work very, very well. And when I first started using these, I didn't think I was going to get much use out of them until I actually started using them. When I actually started one item and divided it from everything else, and I got another one and another one, now I have an entire wall at my place of business just full of divided things. It looks like a library of items. Make it so, that are divided and organized. Now, on the front here, this area right here, that you can see there's a little place where you can slide like paper or a piece of cardboard or anything that to put in there that will be like your label for what you want this to be holding. It fits right in there. Yeah, so it displays what's inside. Works really well. These are really a good idea, and I love that it's stackable. I mean, these can, you can stack them up high and high. It just works really, really well. I like these a lot. All right. Well, this is the Uline box packaging plastic stack and hang bin boxes. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information. I really, really will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.